So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this lecture. We are continuing about the table space management where we were left yesterday. Okay, so the theory part will be continued. So first of all, we need to know about the extent management today. Before we go ahead and proceed with the extent management, I would like to check with you people a few things. First of all, who will tell me what is the definition of database?
Collection of control files developed by data files.
Blocks. Collection of blocks.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Both the definitions are correct. Collection of blocks is correct. Collection of CRD files is also correct. Okay. And now coming to the point, like what is a table space?
Collection of
Collection of
data files.
Okay. So remaining people are not answering means either they would be sleeping or they are not interested or they are not listening and they are not ready to answer. What should I take? Okay, fine. So table space is collection of data files. Okay, fine. Then what is data file?
collection of segments.
Collection of
Collection
segments.
of
Collection of blocks.
Okay. And what is segment?
Collection of extents.
What is extent?
Blocks.
Collection of
Blocks.
Collection of blocks. Okay. And our data resides in
blocks.
Blocks.
blocks. Exactly. How many type of table spaces are there? How many type of table spaces or how many type of segments are there?
Three types.
Three.
Permanent, undo.
Three type of
Three.
segments.
Types of segments.
Yeah. What are they? What are the three type of segments?
Permanent segments.
Permanent,
Temporary segments.
temporary,
Rollback
undo.
segments.
rollback.
Yes.
Undo.
So our data is sitting in which segment?
Permanent segments.
Permanent segments. What are the mandatory data files that are created at the time of database creation? What are the mandatory data files or table spaces? How many?
5.
What are they? What are they? What are they?
System, sysocs, undo TBS, user.
Temp users.
Zero one temporary 01.
Okay, fine. So out of these 5 table spaces, how many table spaces belongs to permanent segments?
3, sir.
What are
Three.
they?
System, sysocs,
Sysocs and users.
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 Okay, fine. And what are the remaining 2 table spaces?
One is
Temporary
undo
and
segment.
Undo
And one is
temporary.
temporary.
Okay. What will be there in system table space?
Metadata.
Metadata.
Metadata. What do you mean by metadata?
Definition of
Employee ID,
Definition of the
salary,
table.
and employee name.
Don't tell employee name like that. Definition.
Definition of the table.
Definition of the tables. Metadata is nothing but definition.
Definition.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
And what will be there in users table space?
Data.
Dedicated.
Data.
if the
Hmm.
if there is no dedicated
Uh,
table space for the
hmm.
database, it will
Not
data will go
database.
to user.
Not database.
Segment.
It's data.
Not segment. If we don't assign a dedicated table space to the user,
Oh, sorry. Then it will
if we don't,
Unallocated. Unallocated.
no, if we don't
Users
allocate it, if we don't if we don't allocate dedicated table space to the user, by default, the data of that
The
user
data is-
will be going to the user's table space. Understand?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes.
Then if we assign a dedicated table space, then
The data will store in.
The data
a
will go
dedicated
to
table
the
space.
dedicated table.
dedicated.
Yes.
What are the different type of blocks are there?
User.
Unallocated,
Assigned,
unused,
assigned,
allocated,
Unallocated, unused,
unallocated, unused,
allocated,
allocated,
allocated user,
allocated.
Unallocated.
No, okay. Starting from beginning, unallocated, unused. Okay, next allocated,
used,
Used.
allocated, unused,
allocated, used, and
unallocated,
allocated, unused. Okay. When the blocks will become n, when the blocks are when we call the blocks are allocated unused, when the blocks we call as allocated unused.
If
The data
if
is
there
not
is no data
and
started,
segments are
The
assigned to
users
the
is not
but
entering
segment
the
is
data.
assigned.
No. Who will tell me the correct answer? When we call the block as allocated unused, allocated, unused.
When blocks are not side by side.
No.
Data is not
Actually,
filled in.
Entering,
Data is not completely
insert the
filled in.
data
When
in
data is not inserted in the dedicated table space.
When the blocks
Yeah.
are allocated to employee table or some
Some
table,
okay, some
but
table, they are those blocks are called allocated. Okay,
yes.
but when we call it as allocated unused.
Data
When
అనేది
data is
user
not
data
filled
building.
in,
segment, when segment is
okay.
allocated for some
then data is not
XYZ
Okay.
table space.
Data లేనప్పుడు
data is not filled in assigned blocks.
Okay, so how we can tell that is, whenever user creates a table, immediately one segment is allocated to the table. Whenever user creates a table, it's a empty table. Table antene empty table kada. Without data, user creates a table. So whenever user creates a table, immediately a segment is allocated to the table. So it is allocated unused. When it will become allocated used, when user starts inserting the data into the table, one block will be getting filled and it will become allocated used. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Fine,
Trisha.
fine. So good, nice answers. People who are giving answers, that's okay. Who are not giving, you just imagine. I mean, judge yourself. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So good job, guys. And now we'll continue from there. So till yesterday we have completed about the segment. There are 3 different type of segments and everything we learned. Right. Today we'll start the extent. In extent, how many types are there? Who can tell me? In extent, how many types of extents are there? How many type of extents are there? 2 types.
2.
What are they? Dictionary extents and local
dictionary
extents.
and
Local
local.
Local. Okay. In dictionary we have manual. In local we have uniform and auto. Okay. In local we have uniform and auto. Okay. People has to come to a place where there is no disturbance of, there is no background noise, and then they have to listen to the session. Okay. Or else please do not unmute. I told you this is one of the class rule. Please be in a room where there is no background noise. Okay, fine. So now coming to this extent management, we have dictionary and local, right? What is this dictionary extent? What is this local extent? We'll see today. Okay. So now allocated blocks are called extents. Allocated blocks are called extents. So we know that. What is the difference between a dictionary table space and locally managed table space? Means dictionary extent table space and locally managed table, locally managed table space. This is also one of the interview question basically. Okay, and I recently when I was helping one guy in the, I mean, recently I heard this question for one of our candidate. Okay, for one of our student. What is the difference between dictionary and local? Okay, so this is very important. If the information of the extents are stored in another table, then it is dictionary. If the information of extents are stored in the header of a data file in the form of bitmap image, then they are locally managed table spaces. Okay, now I'll explain you like I'd like to explain this in a pictorial way, like we used to do it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, as I was talking, right? So let's discuss this. This is a data file, for example. This is a data file. This is a header. Okay, this is a header. And what is this in a data file? What will be there?
segments.
Segments.
Okay, segments. Fine. And inside the segments,
Extent.
Extent.
extent. Okay, fine. Inside the extents,
Block.
Blocks.
okay, blocks. These are all the extents. And inside the extents we have blocks, which everyone knows that. Now when a user is creating a table, where the data is sitting, the table data is sitting in the table, right? This is the table, right? This is a table, employee table, for example. This is employee table. It is sitting in blocks. Yes or no?
Yes, Trisha.
So this entire segment belongs to Which table?
Uh,
Segment
Employee
belongs to
table.
employee table.
Employee table.
Right.
Employee
Now
table.
user is creating a department table, for example. User is creating a department table. There is a table name called department. Okay, the same user is creating a department table. So this segment and this entire segment belongs to which table now?
Department.
Department table.
Table.
Department table. Okay, fine. Now I have one more question. How many extents are there? How many extents are there in one segment?
3.
It could be anything depending on the you have to the answer should be depending on db underscore
Blocks.
block underscore size.
Yes.
Understand? The answer should be depending on db underscore block underscore size. Understand, guys, what I'm talking?
Yes, Trishan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, we have to take to understand the subject. We need to take an example. For example, in a segment there are 5 extents. For example, in a segment there are how many extents?
5.
5 extents.
5.
Okay, five extents are there. Now, where can I see the information? How many extents are there? Where can I see the information? From where I can get the information? How many extents are there in one segment? Next, I have one more question. How many segments are there in this data file? In this data file, how many segments are there?
5
Depends.
segments. Sorry, segment is 5.
Segments. I'm talking about segment, not extent. This is one segment. This is one more segment. This is one more segment.
segments.
Like that, how many segments are there in one data file?
5.
Depends.
Oh no, but the answer is again, it depends on db underscore block underscore.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Arthamayinda what I'm talking?
Yes, Trishan.
Yes, sir.
But we have to see the information somewhere kada. We need to know the information. Oka data file lo any segments unnai. How many segments are there in one data file? How many extents are there in one segment? How many blocks are there in one extent? మనకి ఎక్కడో అక్కడ మన కళ్ళకి కనపడాలి కదా. If someone is asking you, for example, hey, can you please, hey DBA, can you please check? మీ మేనేజర్ అడిగాడు ఆ డేటా ఫైల్ లో ఎన్ని సెగ్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో చెక్ చేసి చెప్పు అంటాడు. We have to get the information from somewhere else. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So listen to this very carefully. If the information about the segments, if the information about the extents, if the information about the blocks, అంటే ఎన్ని extents ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్ని segments ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్ని blocks ఉన్నాయి, అదే ఒక segment లో ఎన్ని extents ఉన్నాయి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక డేటా ఫైల్ లో ఎన్ని segments ఉన్నాయి, ఒక segment లో ఎన్ని extents ఉన్నాయి, ఒక extent లో ఎన్ని blocks ఉన్నాయి. If that information is stored in data file header size enta? Who can tell me?
64
64 KB.
అందుకే the size is 64 KB. ఈ డేటా ఫైల్ ఏ డేటా ఫైల్ కి సంబంధించిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆ డేటా ఫైల్ హెడర్ లో మెయింటైన్ చేసుకుంటది. అర్థమైందా చెప్పింది?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా డేటా ఫైల్ హెడర్ ఎందుకు వాడతాము?
Yes, Trishan.
అర్థమైందా why we are using data file header? Data file header is to maintain the information of how many segments are there in the data file, how many extents are there in the segment, and how many blocks are there in the extents. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, Trishan.
Yes, sir.
If that information is stored in the header of the data file, then this table space is called locally managed table space. Understand?
Yes, Trishan.
If the information about the segments, if the information about the extents, if the information about the blocks is maintained in a separate table, ఇంకో టేబుల్ లో మెయింటైన్ చేసి ఆ టేబుల్ కి సెపరేట్ సెగ్మెంట్, మళ్ళీ ఆ టేబుల్ కి సెపరేట్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఒకటి అలొకేట్ చేసి, if it is maintaining this information again in separate table, then this kind of table spaces are called dictionary managed. Understand what is the difference?
Yes, Trishan.
If the information about the segment, extents and blocks are maintained in the header of the same data file, then those data files are locally managed data files. If the information of extents, segments and blocks are maintained again in a separate table in a separate segment, then those are dictionary managed. That is the difference. Understand? Yes, no?
Yes,
maybe?
Trishan, understood. Yes,
Only one person understood. What about remaining people? Should I have to call your names? Doesn't it look professional?
Is it a different table or a different segment?
డిఫరెంట్ టేబుల్ అమ్మా. టేబుల్ ఒక టేబుల్ లో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇప్పుడు డేటా అంతా టేబుల్ లోనే ఉంటాయి కదా. ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్ డేటా
అర్థమైందా?
టేబుల్ లోపల ఉంది. ఆ టేబుల్ లోపల ఉన్న డేటా అంతా బ్లాక్స్ లోనే కదా స్టోర్ అవుతుంది.
అవును.
అలాగా ఇది కూడా ఒక డేటానే కదా. ఈ డేటా ఫైల్ లో ఎన్ని సెగ్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్ని ఎక్స్టెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్ని బ్లాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనేది కూడా ఒక డేటానే కదా.
Yes.
ఆ డేటా కూడా ఒక టేబుల్ రూపంలో మెయింటైన్ చేస్తూ ఆ టేబుల్ ఇంకో సెగ్మెంట్ లో పెట్టుకుంది అంటే దట్ డేటా ఫైల్ ఇస్ మేనేజ్. అదే దాని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ బిట్ మ్యాప్ ఇమేజ్. ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అంతా బిట్ మ్యాప్ ఇమేజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ బిట్ మ్యాప్, ఒక ఇమేజ్ రూపంలో బిట్ మ్యాప్ ఇమేజ్ రూపంలో డేటా ఫైల్ హెడర్ లో పెట్టుకుంది అనుకో దీని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అంతా, దెన్ దట్ ఈస్ లోకలీ మేనేజ్డ్. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఒక చిన్న కాల్ వస్తున్నారు.
Yes, sir.
One.